It's time to create your Google Firebase account. Firebase is a versatile tool for managing mobile apps. It offers tools for things like app development, quality control, analytics, and sending push notifications. Let's get started. Go to firebase.google.com. Click Get Started and log in with a Google account. Choose Get Started with a Firebase project. Enter the name of your app project. Accept the Firebase terms and confirm that you'll be using Firebase only for work. Untick Join the Google Developer Program. You will do this separately. Click Continue. Choose freely if you want to use Gemini AI in your Firebase project. Click Continue. Choose to enable Google Analytics and click Continue. If you have an existing Google Analytics account, you can choose to put your app project under it. In other cases, create a new account and write a descriptive name for it. Choose the location for your analytics. We recommend using the default settings for sharing Google Analytics data, but you can also adjust them. Accept the analytics terms and create the project. Your project is ready in a moment. Now you have created the Google Firebase account for your app. Well done. Next up, make sure to establish all 3 required accounts and then share the access to them with Choicely.